All right, folks, a little end of long Easter weekend wrap up from the workshop. Everything is in. We've done it. Again, thank you, Angus, you absolute bloody legend, for all of your help getting this stuff in. They're very, very happy being in the new protected environment and having everything set up very nicely. So really, really happy about that. The one hiding under the sheet is being shy at the moment. That's the 72 Honda CB750. Quick wrap up in the back. So 77 Z1000A1, 81 Z1100A1 shaft drive, 78 Z650B, New South Wales Police, 99 BMW 1100 LT, K1100 LT, New South Wales Police VIP, 77 Z650B, Civilian, 78 Z1000A2, New South Wales Police, 76 Z900A4, New South Wales Police, 99 Honda ST1100PY, New South Wales Police VIP, 87 BMW K100RT VIP, New South Wales Police, 2005 BMW K1200 GT, again New South Wales Police, 1979 Z1000 Mark II, Civilian, 2005 BMW R1150 RT, again New South Wales Police, but this time general duties. So there you go, what a collection of beauties. Really, really happy to be in. Obviously there's a bit of fettling to get everything completely settled down, but essentially in short order you will see, well, in very short order you're going to see this guy out the door, because we're just waiting for chrome on that. You'll see the Z1000, the Z900, the Z1000 and the Z650 all in police spec out the door. We're just waiting for paint on that one and chrome on that one, and in fact chrome on that one as well. The Z1000, it will be sold very quickly, as will the Z650 in the corner. So you should see in pretty rapid order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bikes head out the door. So stay tuned for all of that. Thanks for sticking with us over the radio silence for the last couple of weeks. It's been very, very busy. Obviously, you can imagine there's a hell of a lot of stuff to move and bikes are pretty lumpy. So it's been excellent getting this out of the way. We will have more videos about the K1200 in particular, new fuel pump and she's off. And there's a bunch of other updates on all these other bikes. So until that video, I'm going to take a well-deserved break from the work environment, go home, shower, and enjoy a refreshing beverage, non-alcoholic, and a delicious meal with my very patient wife. Until the next video, take care, be well, and laugh a lot. See ya.